you want some grapes? You want some grapes, buddy? Come on. Oh, you know where to go, huh? Come here. Oh, no, we'll get him out here. Okay. Come on. Come on, let's get him out here. Oh, only in Louisiana do you see a raccoon in the refrigerator. Come on, bud. Come on. Come on. Come here. Oh, I got some for you. Nope. Here. I love grapes. That's a sweet boy. That's a sweet boy. I'll go and